Can you see the lid, the eye, iris open and close? Oh, I wonder if there's. God, can you see the mountains through behind you or not?
Just a little bit. It's too dark now anyway. That was the end of the Kraftwerk song. You can turn it off now.
Give me a sour expression.
It's not necessary. You're getting hot.
Say goodbye, Steve.